Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. Good morning from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Everything's looking pretty good. Wow, I woke up this morning and my portfolio was just uppity up, guys. Wow. Crypto is on fire right now. Guys, this is emergency update. This is really your last chance. Last chance. Don't miss out, guys, because we're going to see all-time highs coming in anytime. We can even see it today, guys. It looks like everything's going to the moon. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and entertainment purposes. Remember, always do your own risk management, guys. Remember, it's your money. It's not my money. You've got to do your own risk management all the time, guys. And make sure that whenever you invest in something, make sure that you do your own due diligence, do your own research, find out what the projects are, who are in the projects, and how long it's been around, guys. So remember, this is not financial advice. We're seeing Bitcoin up, Bitcoin's up over 60,000. We're seeing Ethereum up over $3,800. We're seeing, Polygon Matic. I talked about that yesterday. Polygon Matic is going to the moon. It's up over 25% right now. And I did tell you guys yesterday that it was going to break out. And so this is really good news for Polygon Matic holders. And overall everything's looking pretty good. We're still seeing the Bitcoin dominance a little bit too high. So that's why you're not seeing every single altcoin going to the moon. But most of the dominance right now is in Bitcoin and Ethereum, so that's why you're going to see Ethereum and Bitcoin doing a lot of the moves. Also, we're seeing Dogecoin coming back. Dogecoin looks like it's about to explode, about to pump the upside. We're also seeing that Shiba Inu is still down, down. This could be what you could call a shipwreck. Ha ha ha. No, I'm just kidding. Actually yesterday in my live stream, somebody said that shipwreck, and I just thought it was quite funny. I'm not dissing on the Shiba at all, but the fact of the matter is it's down. Down. But some people are saying that we could see a 70% pump coming in for the SHIB soon. So guys, just keep an eye on that, see what happens. Doge is looking pretty good, and hopefully this is a turnaround time. And for the Doge to really start to break back up to the upside to 30 cents, it really needs to get past the 25-cent resistance level. So we're going to jump at that. So in this video, we're going to look at the coin markets. We're going to look at the market cap. We're going to look at the TA, and then we're going to look into the news. So we're going to do something different, guys and gals. So we're going to look at the TA. We're going to look at the coins, and then we're going to jump into some news. So there's some huge news out there. We got Cynthia, Wyoming senator. She's Bitcoin maxi. She's supporting us out there on the Hill, and she's saying that thank goodness we got Bitcoin, because it looks like the White House just increases debt ceiling to $450 billion. But you know what they're going to do? They're going to hit print on the printing machine, and they're just going to be printing dollars, and soon it's going to cost you $100 to buy a can of Coke, because you're going to have inflation going to the moon, and we're seeing that also the inflation rates went up, 5.4%. It's the highest since like in 13 years, since like 2019 or something like that, like 13 years, so 2091, something like that. So it's just amazing, guys. So hopefully at some point in time things will get better in the U.S. because things are not looking too good. Gas is getting really expensive. The only thing, housing is getting expensive. Food's getting more expensive. Salaries are going down. So that's kind of like, cost of living is going up, but salaries are going down. The only thing that's getting cheaper is used cars, because nobody got any money to buy one. So it's more of a buyer's market, not a seller's market. So but crypto is really good hedge against inflation, and Bitcoin is on fire. So without further delay, remember, this video is not financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, guys. So let's jump into it, and do not forget to go back and watch my other videos, guys. We've got a whole bunch of other videos. Please go back and do in fact watch them, and don't miss a beat, don't miss a trick. And if you love the OG like I love you guys, go down there, go right down there, get it, and smash the likes, guys. I want to hear the guys smash the likes. Okay, I got it. So don't forget to do that. Show some love to the OG, and God bless each and every one. Thank you for showing up, being part of this community. Without you, my YouTube family out there, this channel wouldn't be possible. So I just want to say I really appreciate it. And it's this channel is about not only talking about crypto news and this and that. It's also about spreading the good vibe and bringing a little bit of positivity in the world, because we need to be positive all the time. Because sometimes life can be a Debbie Downer, right, guys? Sometimes you wake up, it's like you got the bills, you got this, and you got that, and it just. But we got to move beyond that. Try to be positive. Try to look for and think how good we have it. I mean, if we have extra funds to be investing in crypto, just think about a lot of people out there don't have the money to even buy food and don't have food. So, that's why this channel, we always like to give back, and we go back and watch the video, Doge Only Giving Every Day. And that was a huge video where we gave, all the proceeds of the super chats, the Patreons and members and merch, remember, all that goes to charity, and we push it out to charity, guys. So we did that. We're doing that. And just remember, when you sit at home with your air conditioning, watching TV, having your cup of joe and the OG Muggy Mug, think about it. There's a lot of people out there who don't have food to eat. And this is not just in poor countries. Even in America, in your back door, there are people who do not have food to eat. Sure, some people choose to have a lifestyle where they want to be homeless. I mean, that happens. But overall, we're seeing that we're the lucky ones. We're the chosen few. So guys, be positive. Don't let the little things get you down. If you got a house over, roof over your head, and you got food in your belly, and you've got internet and color TV and air conditioning and a car, you're doing okay. You're doing okay, guys. Don't let the bills get you down. Don't let things get you down. But crypto's going up, guys. Crypto's going up. So let's jump into it right now. So take a look at total market cap right now. So total market cap is 2.5 trillion. I called it. I told you we were going to get there. And 2.5 trillion in the house, guys. So this is looking very, 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 very good. And we're seeing that the total market cap is up almost it's up like 1.93% right now. So that's really looking pretty good, guys. And the market cap did go as high as 2.6 billion, and it did go as low as 2.21. So it's looking pretty good, guys. So you guys should be excited, and that's a great time to be alive. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price in the house right now. So you can see that Bitcoin is trading at $61,529, and we're getting pretty close and pushing the all-time high. We're well above the 21-day EMA, so that's fantastical news, and it's looking pretty good. And here on the Binance 1-hour chart, we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 61,388. So Bitcoin is looking very, very good right now. We did get a high of 62,768. So we're looking to head up to the promised land of 63,708, and then we're going to be in price discovery mode. So it looks like Bitcoin is going into price discovery mode very shortly. I'm hoping here in Asia, the Asian tigers, Asian bulls, we can take it higher and higher and get ourselves to the all-time highs, guys. So this is really good news, really bullish news. I'm so excited. I woke up this morning and I woke up this morning, grabbed my phone, and I thought I'd check my portfolio. I'm not one of these consistent. Gotta check. I don't obsess and dwell on my portfolio. Also too mentally, I have an idea. And mentally, I can, guess probably plus or minus 5% accuracy of exactly where my portfolio is just by looking at the markets. But I thought I'd wake up this morning. I took a look at my portfolio. I was happy. I was up. Almost like 3%, 5% compared to where I was yesterday. So, all those Lambos that I lost in May with the Ka-chunk, the Ben and Tweed, Debbie Downer crash. Remember that in May, the Elon FUD, the China FUD crash. I call it the Ben and Tweed because every time I go to Saigon and meet my friends, Ben and Tweed, the market's always dump. They always dump. It's weird. It's just like it's like they're the catalyst that bring the whole crypto world down. And so the Ben and Tweed crash, but all the Lambos that I lost, or the Porsche Cayennes, whatever you want to call it, whatever car you're into, they're coming back, guys, coming back. So it's very good. I'm so happy about it. Let's take a look at the Doji Woji in the house right now. So Doge is looking pretty good. It's at 24 cents, guys, and that's fantastic. And it looks like this is on the 4-hour chart, and we're making some moves. So this 23-cent area is now support, guys. So we're going to turn that green. I love the green, and it looks like you guys in the U.S. Did a fantastic job taking it green overnight. So it's up to us here in Asia, Middle East, India, Africa to start taking this thing higher and higher. As you can see, I've got the ocean, I've got the mountains, the huge shipping lane just over there, and these big monster container ships go by. So sometimes we get the giant avoidance horn, so that's what you're listening to. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. I'm happy. So yeah, it looks like the Doge is breaking out, and Doge has some huge resistance, 25 cents. And if we want to continue to the upside and see the bullish upside of this, we really need Doge to get to 25 cents. I mean, a lot of people have been saying that there's some manipulation going on and the whales are playing with the price and this and that. So, you know, I think that could be true to some extent, because we're still seeing a lot of Doge, like huge amounts of Doge moving back and forth over different wallets. You know, this could be exchanges. Sure, you know, some of the largest holders of Dogecoin are exchanges, so you see that. But overall, we're seeing that there could be some manipulation. The billionaires are doing a little bit of day trading on Doge, because Doge has been pretty, you know, even though it's been going down since May, but it's been pretty stable the way it kind of trades sideways for a long period of time. So hopefully it'll start to make some moves. And you can see here right now on the Doge, Doji, you can see kind of a W pattern forming here on the 4 hour here. And this is pretty good. And you know, you kind of have a neckline around about here, around about this area here. Let me just draw that in for you. A neckline around about this area here. We have kind of like the neckline here. So this is pretty good. And if I measure to the top, the top of this neckline to the bottom of this triangle, that should give me the approximate price for the breakout, which should be around here. I guess some boats complaining there's another boat in the way, huh? So we can see that. We could probably see it, and you can see there's more confluence right there, because it's telling us that the targeted price is around about 25.2, and that's right on my resistance line. So hopefully this means that we're going to break out. We have this W pattern forming, and also we have this bull flag as well that I've been talking about for some time, and we've been kind of going down, but it looks like we could be breaking out of that now. We have a nice W pattern forming on the 4 hour, and you know, it looks like our target for the breakout of this pattern is about 25 cents. So that just goes to prove that there's some confluence there between the W pattern and our resistance. So this is a pretty bullish indicator that we could be going up to 25 cents. Now remember, this is still 60-40, guys. Remember, TA only works until it doesn't, and sometimes you know, things don't do what they're supposed to do technically, and sometimes they go in the opposite direction. Welcome to the crypto world, the cryptoverse, where volatility is king and uncertainty is normal. And this is the Twilight Zone. We call it Crypto Twilight Zone. So guys, don't forget, if you like this content, you like the OJ, go down there, smash the like it. Do it right now, guys. So let's take a look at the Shiba Inu in the house right now. Let me just move this chart over for you a little bit. So it looks like Shiba Inu in the house right now is trading approximately around about 25.37, and it's just hugging this support line of 25. And you know, we have a little bit of a buy indicator. This is a positive indicator that things are going up. So you know, we've been moving in a positive direction. We got one, twice. Let me just zoom that up for you so you guys can see that out there. So things are looking a little bit more positive for Shiba Inu. Right now, Shiba Inu is down around about almost between 4 and 5%. But we're just trading in this channel. It's just going ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. And we can continue this consolidation to continue for some time. And we're not going to see really any moves to the upside until we break out of this channel here is at 32. So it still looks like this 25 support line is still looking pretty good for the sheep. So some people are saying that we could be seeing like a 70% move in the Shiba Inu price pretty soon. So we're going to cover that in the next video at lunchtime. You know, is Shiba Inu going to make those moves, and is Doge going to make that move above 25 cents? We're going to talk about that. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So let's take a look at let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Ethereum is on fire right now. It's at 38.42. This is looking pretty good. It has broken out past my descending triangle, so that's really bullish. It went as high last night. It went to 41.64. It got rejected and it's come down to where we are right now. So this seems to be being the $4,000 levels being a major obstacle right now. A major obstacle. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. But I think we're going to retest the 4,000 level, and hopefully we're going to get back up to there. And we should be testing also all-time highs pretty soon, guys. So it's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at Cardano in the house. Cardano is doing exactly what I said you guys that it would be doing. Just be going ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk in between 215 and the 137, 135 range. So that's what it's going to do. Don't expect anything much. I mean, at least it's trading in the center of this channel here, which is good. And I think it could be just going ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. And that really, we need to get some really good news out of Cardano. People are kind of Cardano has been a slow mover, but it absolutely will pump. We'll go to the moon. And let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana, yesterday, it broke up from this channel. I call this channel A, moved up to channel B, and that channel B is like between 155 and 180. So we're moving up in the right direction. And I think once again, we're just going to be going this way. And a lot of that has to do with the Bitcoin dominance is so high that we're not seeing a lot of movement right now. So let's take a look at the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we're at 2.53 trillion. Yeah! I told you we did get it, and our volume is really healthy. It's really high, and it's at 118.36. But the Bitcoin dominance is going back up again. It's almost 46. So that's why we're seeing that some of the altcoins are kind of bleeding out a little bit right now. Let's take a look at the prices, and we'll jump into some news quick. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up 7.63%. So that's good, guys. And I did tell you that I had rebalanced my portfolio, and I had I had sold off some of my cryptocurrency, some of my altcoins, and moved them into Bitcoin. So after doing that rebalancing, that's really helped my portfolio grow a lot because as you can see that a lot of the altcoins are really not moving as fast as Bitcoin is. So we can see that Bitcoin is trading at $61,450. It's very good. I think we're going to be looking at all-time highs again soon. The all-time high was 64,763. So that's pretty good, and we're about 5% from the all-time high. So that's looking pretty good, guys. Ethereum right now is at 3,834. That's up 2.8%, and we're about 12.7% off our all-time high, which was 4,391 right there. BNB is also looking okay. I mean, it's not making as much as a move of Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's because their dominance is a lot lower, right? So BNB is at $473, and that's up 1.6%, but it's still way off from its all-time high. ADA is at $2.23, and it's off from its all-time high about 28%. That's $3.09. Solana in the house is up 7.69%. That's $159.50. And we hit an all-time high just recently of $214, and then we're off 25%. From that all-time high. And Polkadot is it's coming back. It was giving up some of its profits yesterday, and it's turning green today, and it's up 10.15%. So that's not too shabby. And we're about 11% from its all-time high, which is $49.69. But Doge in the house is coming back, and we're just about to hit 24 cents. We're up 4.18, and we're about 67% from all-time high, which is like 5.5 months ago. And look at the SHIBA INU in the house. It's down 3.52%, and it's off 33% from its all-time highs, guys. So it's a mixed bag. Overall, the altcoins are doing reasonably well. I mean, look at Matic. Guys did tell you about Polymatic is on fire yesterday, and we could see $3.50 incoming, and we can see that Matic right now is up 21.75%. So if you jumped into Matic yesterday, you're doing pretty good right now, and it's at $1.52, and we see the all-time high is $2.65, and we're about 42% away from that. But a lot of people are saying that Matic is forming this bull flag, and we could be seeing ourselves absolutely going to the moon on that and see $3.50 coming in by the end. So that's looking pretty fabulous in the house, guys. So there's been some Dogecoin news around, and we're talking about articles saying that Dogecoin must break above 25 cents. We got comedy doc about Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu raises funds in less than 1 day. We got this article, bulls target 0.50 cents as Dogecoin rallies for 1,000%. So I did talk about that Doge could go up 1,000% to about $3.50. But right now we got this resistance at 25, and a lot of bulls are saying that if we can confirm 50 cents coming in soon, then that will validate the 1,000% liftoff. So let's see how that goes. We all talked about Billy Marcus pushing for Bitcoin nodes. So this is really important stuff that needs to happen, guys. So some other news that's coming out right now is we can see that some news for SHIB. 73% response getting SHIB, dismissing Floki recent poll. So some people are starting to say that the Floki Inu could be going to the moon and this and that. So guys, just keep an eye on that. I'm not a big Floki fan. Some other news that's coming in right now: Bitcoin gets a green light for price discovery with almost no supply and exchanges above 59,000K. So we're seeing right now that if you go to exchanges, there's very much limited supply out there. There's a huge supply shock, and you cannot buy Bitcoin under 59,000. $59,000. And because of this limited supply, we're going to see Bitcoin price absolutely going to the moon. It's going to the moon, guys. And we're seeing more and more on-chain data that just shows there's almost no supply as prices increase above 50K. So there's going to be a short squeeze resistance slap at 64K. And I believe that a lot of people have been longing Bitcoin. There's also been a lot of people shorting. So all the shorts are definitely going to get wiped out, and that could put a short squeeze on the market. And when that happens is people, they try to buy back into their positions to reduce their losses when they got wrecked. So we could see that's more further evidence for seeing Bitcoin to absolutely pump even higher. So we can see that the short squeeze liquidation ratio could be coming on full tilt soon, and that could push the price even higher. So I believe that hitting all-time highs is just a matter of time, guys. I mean, I think this weekend is going to be a huge pump it up weekend, I believe, for the altcoins, and hopefully we can get Doge pump it up weekend, guys. So that's a really bullish news. Some other news that's coming in right now, as you guys know, is that Cynthia Loomis is saying thank God for Bitcoin as the U.S. debt limit rises. So as I talked about, right now the United States has just signed legislation to raise the government's debt ceiling to 28.9 trillion. So Senator Loomis said that Bitcoin is a blessing, and Senator Loomis gave a speech to the Senate on Thursday providing a perspective on how digital currencies like Bitcoin could potentially help countries like the U.S. address the looming crisis when states run out of cash, guys. So Loomis said that one of the reasons she had become so interested in the non-fiat digital currency like Bitcoin is because they are not issued by governments, and thus aren't beholden to the debts and are run up by governments such as the U.S. So we're seeing again, time and time again, presidents of both parties have run up the debt irresponsibly with no plan to address it. So thank God for Bitcoin and other non-fiat currency that transcends the irresponsibility of governments, including our own. So she's really just saying that at least a digital gold like Bitcoin, it's a hedge against inflation. It's a good common store of value, and because nobody controls it, people cannot be irresponsible, because we're just going to keep seeing that with this debt ceiling going higher and higher, we're going to see more dollars being printed, and this could really, we could be paying like $2 or $3 for a Coke soon. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, I remember when you could pick up a Coke when I was small, like, 30 cents, 50 cents. Remember those days? Those days are long gone. So with that being said, guys, I'm just going to end it here. And I just want to say God bless each and everyone. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Follow on my Twitter, guys. God bless each and everyone. Hopefully this was a huge update, guys. Remember, crypto is pumping, guys. This is your last chance. Absolutely last chance to pick crypto up cheap. And, and let's just take a look at fear and greed. I forgot that. Let's take a look at fear and greed. Let me give this a minute to rest. So fear and greed, as I say, so we're extreme greed right now. So things are going to be going up. We're going to FOMO is going to intensify, and we haven't seen retail FOMOing yet. We're still seeing much more institutional, and I think that we're going to hit all-time highs pretty soon, guys. So God bless each and every one. Don't forget to follow me once again on Twitter. Don't forget to smash the likes. Go down there, smash the likes. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and don't forget to check out my Linky Winkies. And remember, none of this video is financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so you got to do your own risk management, guys, and don't listen to everything that everybody says on YouTube. Got to do your own research, guys, and don't forget to support the channel. Become a Patreon member. The links are in the description. Go down there, click the links, and don't forget to buy the channel on coffee. Go down there, click on the link, or go to www.kofi.com Crypto Squad. Buy the channel on coffee. Support the channel. Support the OG. Support the orphans in Vietnam. Support the homeless in Vietnam. Do it right now. Also, my merch shop. Go down there. Click on the merch and check out the merch, guys. We got tons of merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got cups, we got mugs, and don't forget the most famous product out there is the infamous Mug the Mug, guys. The mug, everyone's loved it. Get the Mug. The Mug is full of joy, full of hope. And one final thing, do not forget to go to the wife's channel, Zen Music. Go over there, subscribe, YB. Do it right now, guys. You're gonna love it. I love it. And guys, God bless you. Thank you for watching. You made it to the end. Smash the likes one last time. And also, if you're watching live, don't forget to give a super chat, support the channel. Remember, all this goes to charity. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! See you in the next one, guys. I love it. The Ric Flair of crypto. The ice baby of crypto in the house. Woo!